Now we will use the clip tool. Let's create a polygon. Finish and create another polygon. Finish. We have two polygons here. If we want to clip this polygon using this polygon, click on the clip tool. The input feature should be the smaller one, and target feature should be bigger one. And if we disturb this portion of the polygon will be disturbed, and if we preserve, this portion of the polygon will be preserved, and we can split using preserving both. Let's disturb this and clip. This portion of the polygon is disturbed. Let's see this using move tool. Move. See, we have clipped this polygon using the shape of this polygon. We can also clip using the buffer distance. Let's select this polygon and click on clip, and buffer distance should be 1000 feet, and if we click 10,000 feet, this portion, whatever features will be in this portion will be discarded. Let's clip all editable features. All editable features within this buffer distance will be discarded. Click on clip. Anything within this buffer distance is discarded now. Let's click on save.